Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful Basque Burnt Cheesecake. This recipe is very simple and so far I think this is actually the easiest cheesecake I've ever made. Let's get started. We only need 7 ingredients: cream cheese, sugar, eggs, vanilla extract, salt, heavy cream, and all-purpose flour. In a large mixing bowl, add the cream cheese. Make sure that it's at room temperature when you use it. Add the white sugar. By the way, you can find the full recipe at the end of this video and it's also in the description box down below. Back to our cream cheese, we're going to use an electric mixer to beat the sugar and cream cheese together on medium to low speed. You can also use a stand mixer if you have one. We're going to beat this for about 2 minutes until the mixture is smooth and the sugar has fully dissolved. Scrape down the sides of the bowl to get the bits that get stuck on the sides. We're going to do this a few times just to make sure that we get a consistent mixture. When the batter looks smooth and evenly combined, check if the sugar has actually fully dissolved by rubbing a bit of the mixture between your fingers like this. If it's smooth and not gritty, then it means that you've mixed it well enough and we can move on to the next step. We're going to add each egg one at a time. Make sure to beat it for 20 seconds before adding the next one. It's important to add it gradually this way so that each egg gets mixed evenly with the cream cheese mixture. So we're going to repeat this until we've mixed all 6 eggs. Scrape down the sides of the bowl and beat it for another 20 seconds until the batter is smooth and evenly combined. Add the vanilla extract, then salt. You won't be able to taste the salt, by the way, we're just using it to balance the flavor of the cheesecake because it is quite rich and sweet as well. We're going to add the heavy cream. Okay, I think I should have used a bigger bowl. I hope it doesn't overflow. Mix it for 20 seconds until it's fully combined. And scrape down the sides of the bowl again. Sift all-purpose flour evenly over the mixture. Beat it on low speed for about 20 seconds until it's fully incorporated. And again, we're going to scrape down the sides of the bowl. Then continue mixing until the batter is smooth and silky. So that's our mixture. It's now complete, it's done. We're going to move on to the next step. We're going to use a 23cm springform pan and grease the bottom and the sides with butter. Line it with 2 overlapping 40 by 30 centimeters parchment paper so the paper comes out at least 4 centimeters above the top of the pan like this. It doesn't have to be perfect because life is not perfect. Some parts of it will be creased so we can fit it in the pan, but that's okay. It actually gives that nice look around the edges when the cheesecake is baked. Now it's time to pour the cheesecake mixture into the pan. I actually enjoy watching the batter as it falls. It's very satisfying for some reason. Here it is. We can use a spatula to flatten the top. It doesn't have to be perfectly flat, but just do your best. Now let's go and burn this cheesecake. We're going to bake it for 60 to 70 minutes in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius. You know it's cooked when the top is deeply golden brown like this. It will still be a bit jiggly, but it will set completely when it cools down. Leave it to cool completely for at least an hour before unmolding it. Otherwise it will break and it will be sad. So be patient, and once it's fully cooled down, you can remove it from the pan and then carefully peel away the parchment from the sides of the cheesecake. Slice it and serve it at room temperature and enjoy your delicious burnt cheesecake. You can keep it in the fridge for up to 5 days. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know in the comment sections below what you want me to try next. See you in the next one.